wanna see how cool is my... Nasa kapatid ko. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Nasa isa ka bang kapatid? Now my crush name. Okay. My friend's name. Oh. Friend's names again. Oh, sorry. My other friend's name. Oh, yung nakakatanda kong friend. Wait lang. Let's go. My friend's name again. My other friend's name. Oh. I'm so good at pick. My fish name. Oh. Smith name. My favorite cartoon. Okay. My classmate name. Oh, sorry. My classmate name. Oh, sorry. I hate you so much. Oh, my classmate name. My classmate name. Oh, you're so cool, bro. My classmate name. My crush name again. I have so many crush. What the heck? That's it. Bye.